Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Snapshot tool in Adobe Acrobat, a quick and reliable way to copy an image or section right out of a PDF. Whether you want to keep a copy of an important chart, share a snippet of a document with your team, or save some visual notes, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to grab just the part you need and paste it wherever you want. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to start Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader and open the PDF file you want to work with. Go ahead and double-click your file or find it through the App's File menu. If you have multiple PDFs open, make sure you're working on the correct one, so you don't accidentally snapshot something else. Taking a moment to confirm your file makes everything smoother downstream. Now, let's find the powerful but sometimes overlooked Snapshot tool. At the top of the window, look for the Edit menu. Click on it, and within that dropdown, select More. This is where Adobe tucked away some extra tools, including Take a Snapshot. Don't worry if you don't see it right away. Sometimes menus can look different between versions, but it's usually there under Edit and More. If you have trouble locating it, try searching Snapshot in the Acrobat help bar. Once you choose Take a Snapshot, look closely at your cursor. It'll shift from the regular pointer to a set of crosshairs. This is your selection tool. Think of it like a camera's framing box. The crosshair lets you precisely select just the part of the page you want to capture. Click and hold your mouse, then drag across the PDF to draw a rectangle over the area you'd like to copy. You can include images, tables, paragraphs, or even a signature, whatever you need. Let's say you only want a specific chart rather than the whole page. The Snapshot tool is perfect for this kind of focused selection. Take your time lining up the rectangle, especially if details matter. Remember, everything inside the box will be your snapshot. Once you're happy with the selection, release the mouse button. Right when you let go, you'll get a confirmation pop-up that says the area has been copied to your clipboard. That's Adobe's way of giving you a quick mission accomplished. Now comes the fun part, pasting your snapshot wherever you need it. You can switch over to another app, maybe your email, a Word document, or even a chat message. Place your cursor exactly where you want the image to appear in your document or workspace. And use the familiar shortcuts, Ctrl+V for Windows or CMD+V for Mac. It really is as simple as that. Your snapshot will appear instantly, ready for you to resize, annotate, or share. If nothing shows up, double-check that you copied the right area, or try pasting again. Sometimes, especially in crowded documents, the clipboard can get finicky. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned to capture and use images or sections from a PDF with the Snapshot tool in Adobe Acrobat. This is a fantastic technique for presentations, reports, or just making your work life a little easier. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions. I do read them all, and I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching.